Good afternoon, people. So, today is another vlog day.
Another vloggy vlog day.
And the reason for that vlog today is Zena.
Yes, Zena's going home.
So, first of all, we gotta give her much props. She's the first and only person that I ever known to travel international just for barbecue.
Yeah.
So, our barbecue is that good, and even though she just flew in from England, Zena can testify for all our other subscribers, especially the Anderson family,
Yes.
and Michelle Holmes.
Of course.
Those are two people that commented on the barbecue situation. So you guys are welcome. I know we already said that in the comment section where we communicated, but I'm just telling you again. So, and this time I'm gonna let Z tell you what the barbecue is like and why you all should come and have some barbecue.
It was amazing. The food was really good.
Right.
Thank you.
And
And you'll go and get some.
that's right, that's the promotion. So Z say, y'all need to come and get some. So, we're about to head out the door, take her to the airport.
And take you two guys to take you guys to
Back at the airport. About to send
Go
Z.
home.
Okay? What you got to say to the people?
See you soon. Oh, am I?
Walking you straight to your gate.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Later.
See you later.
Bye.
hi people.
And we are back.
We're back home.
So,
Yes.
it's hot. It's about,
It's about 87 degrees.
feels like 90. Yeah, so I'm thirsty. Well, before we do that, got a little news for y'all because today I've got two packages.
Yeah.
One I did tell you guys about, which is, hold on, you can, which is my fedora hat. The thing is, it's nice. Before it actually came before we went to the airport, so I tried it on. I'm not gonna put it on now because my head is a bit sweaty, but I'm gonna put some pictures in the vlog that you can see what it looked like. As a matter of fact, I do that now, so check out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Then the second package I got today, as you know, in the last couple months, we've taken our vlog to another level. We've decided to seriously become vloggers, and as we become vloggers, we have to.
We need more space.
So I ordered, and it came today.
A 4
This is
terabyte.
a 4 terabyte Seagate external hard drive, because recently when I was trying to back up the last two vlogs that we've done, I realized that on the 2 terabytes that we have, we've only had like about 30 gig left. So I immediately ordered this. So this way we will have all of our vlogs and videos
on
one drive, you know, saved, because you never know when you may need the videos again.
Yeah.
You know, for one reason or another. And besides, you know, as you guys know, whoever vlog, when you upload a video, it's never everything that you actually recorded.
Exactly.
You know, because some bits we cut out and so on and so forth. Alright, this is giving me a little time. Let me go get something.
Get a knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after we open that, we're gonna have some nice old ice. Can't speak. We're gonna have a nice cool drink. Have some leftover barbecue sausages and things and chicken.
And I'm hungry
And
as well.
salads, yes. I'm gonna sit on the balcony and eat that.
Yeah.
We're not gonna barbecue, we'll just put it in the oven.
Okay, so
There you go.
that's it. Excuse me. Let's sit right there.
Yeah.
Nice and sleek. So this is the wire
Yeah.
and this is the actual drive. Very happy with this because, you know, I save most of our videos on the computer, but I don't feel 100% secure
Yeah, secure with
having
that.
it just stored at one location.
Yeah,
So
so.
this helps out. We're hot, sweaty, thirsty and hungry.
Yeah.
So let us sort out our appearances, get something to eat and
See you later.
yeah.
Hey, so we've been fed. Yeah, so we're full now.
Yeah.
And we decided to come outside and enjoy more of the wonderful weather. It's like in the 90s. It's very hot out here, so
Still sweating.
yeah, on the balcony as you can see, and got the shades down, sunglasses on,
Yes.
ice in the glass.
Extremely right. And we're about to have a little
Aperitif.
aperitif. We bought this bottle yesterday.
Yeah.
And plus we're really tired.
Yes.
You know, hosting is hard work.
It
You
is.
know, when you are home as a family,
Yeah.
you tend to just do things in a general
Yeah.
sense.
Exactly.
But when you have a guest and you have to go into host mode,
Yeah, the routine just goes out, you know.
yeah, and then it does tire you out a little, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, still we're not complaining. I mean, we like having people visiting,
Yeah, of course.
you know. But hosting, if you guys ever had anyone over, hosting is hard work, you know.
Yeah.
You have to make certain adjustments
Yeah.
to accommodate,
That's
and
true.
I mean, you
Make them feel welcome.
exactly.
And comfortable, yeah.
Yeah, so you feed your guests different than you normally feed yourself.
Exactly.
You know, so that's it. So
Yeah. So,
let's pour this
let's
because at the moment I'll drink anything as long as it's fluid. You know, I'm really thirsty.
yeah, keep hydrated in this heat.
Yeah, so and lots of water as well.
Yeah,
So to you guys,
yes.
we must say cheers.
Thanks for watching as always.
Exactly.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
Yes.
And you know, bring new people to our vlog.
Right. And if today's vlog seem a bit dull and non-energetic, it's because yesterday was a full day.
Yes, we've only
You
had
know.
like 5 hours sleep, I think.
Yeah, and
Something like that.
we thought this vlog would be appropriate just because Zena was leaving today.
Yeah.
You know, but we'll get some rest and we'll be back to our chipper selves in the next vlog.
Yeah.
Until then,
Ciao for now.
ciao for now.